In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wix website editor to edit an image on your site. Whether you're looking to make your image fit better with your design or you simply need to make some adjustments, this tutorial will guide you through each step effortlessly. Let's begin by navigating to the Wix website editor. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Wix editor URL. Once you've logged in, you'll see your dashboard with all your website projects. Select the site you'd like to edit and click on it. This will open up the editor. Here, you'll see a layout of your website where you can easily select elements to edit. Now that your site is open, let's proceed to the next step. Look for the image you want to edit and simply click on the image. When you do so, a small menu bar will appear around it, giving you the option to further refine how you want the image displayed. After you've highlighted the image, your next step is to click on the Edit Image option in the toolbar. This will open up another panel with several image editing options. Once you're in the image editor, find the Crop and Extend button. Clicking this will enable crop handles around your image. The cropping tool is very intuitive. It allows you to focus on the specific part of the image that you want to highlight or remove unwanted sections around the edges. You can see the crop handles, which are thick lines positioned around the image. Simply drag these lines inward or outward to adjust the size and composition of your image. If you want to keep the aspect ratio, hold the Shift key while you drag the handles. After cropping, you might notice that the image quality can sometimes be affected by resizing. This brings us to our next tool, the Upscale feature. The Upscale tool enhances the resolution of the image, especially after cropping. It uses intelligent technology to refine the image quality, ensuring it looks crisp and professional, even if the size has been altered. Once you're satisfied with your edits and adjustments, it's crucial to save your work. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the editing pane. Clicking Save will apply all your changes to the image and update it on your website. And there you have it. You've successfully edited an image within the Wix website editor. Remember to refresh your site to ensure all changes are reflected live. With these steps, you can now confidently adjust any image on your site, making sure they align perfectly with your overall design theme. Thanks for watching and happy editing!